here we are presenting Blackphone. Blackphone is a smartphone that is putting privacy and security ahead of everything else. So many people in the market are monetizing app data, are selling applications, selling customer data. Our only intention is to make a phone that is completely private and secure. At the end of the day, a Blackphone is like any other phone in the market, but all you do with it is completely secure and private. So this is what you will see when you take Blackphone out of the box, right? So we've created our own setup wizard, which is basically easy to use and like any other setup wizard in the world, but it is suggesting you to do some very good practices on privacy, like putting a password or encrypting the phone. So just with one click, when the phone is out of the box, you will encrypt all the information that is up there, right? I won't do it because it will take long, but so then Blackphone will be coming with a barcode in the box. Scanning this barcode, you will set up all the services that are coming with Blackphone, and I will tell you which services are. 1 second. I'm gonna skip the rest of the setup wizard so that we do everything more quickly. Okay, so after the setup wizard, Blackphone is ready to be used, okay? So in Blackphone, we've done like 3 layers of security. The first one is we've modified slightly the Android operative system. So Blackphone is an Android-based phone, but we've made some special things in Blackphone to make it more secure. Second layer is the applications and services. So we've created services and preloaded services and applications with Blackphone that allows you to make secure calls. Sorry, I need to put my password here. You cannot record this. 1 second, it's unlocking. Okay, so this is what we call the encrypted dialer. So whenever you do a call from this dialer to another person that is having either a Blackphone or the same software that Blackphone has, the call will be point-to-point encrypted. We're not storing any key in any server, and the keys are destroyed after the communication. So even someone is recording this communication, even if it's encrypted, the keys are completely destroyed after the communication, so even us can decrypt these messages. So only point-to-point, okay? We can do also encrypt agenda, so you can create your contacts here, and these contacts will be only for you. No one is gonna be able to read it. We can have encrypt text. So this is exactly the same interface like any other instant messaging, but the text messages that you send from here to another phone will be completely encrypted. And there's one interesting feature that is the bar notice. So you can create an expiration time for the messages, like in Mission Impossible, and they will be destroyed like 5 minutes or 1 hour ago, whenever you want. And they are destroyed from everywhere, so they are not stored in any server. So that's very useful. For example, when I send passwords to my co-workers, I send a password to enter here, I put this expiration time, so even the phone is still, they won't see this, okay? So what else is coming with Blackphone? So we're having completely encrypted cloud storage. So we have our cloud storage system provided by a third party called SpiderOak. It is completely encrypted, same philosophy that the other applications. We're having a VPN, automatic VPN. Just with 1 click, you will be creating a VPN, so everything will be encrypted from here to the VPN server, no matter which application are you using. It's just 1 click. And we're providing also what we call the Smartner Wi-Fi Manager. This application is turning off the Wi-Fi when you are not in a let's say, in a known place. So if you are at home and the Wi-Fi manager has learned that your home is a secure place because you have a secure Wi-Fi, then the Wi-Fi will be on. When you go out, then the Wi-Fi is off, so that you are not tracked by Wi-Fi. Because I don't know if you know that many companies are tracking the Wi-Fi while the phone is trying to connect and so on, right? So as you said, all these services are completely oriented to preserve the user privacy. That is what we want and what the users need, okay? And then last but not least, the third layer of security is what we call security center. So the security center is basically a system development that is explaining you what the applications are doing with your phone. So for example, all these applications are accessing your contacts, right? For example, you can see that the barcode scanner is accessing my contacts. Why the barcode scanner needs to access my contacts, right? So I just click on the application and I can see all the permissions that this application is having, and I can basically take out this permission. And I can do this with whatever application. So the idea behind this is just letting the people use whatever they want, but just decide what they want to expose to other applications and what they don't, okay? You can do also some other more dramatic things, like for example, all the applications that are accessing location, I don't want them to access Wi-Fi, so that my location is not sent over Wi-Fi, so, or over mobile networks or my contacts. So I can do this kind of protection. So as a summary, Blackphone is exactly an Android device, but much more secure and private than any other device in the world. Okay? Questions?
You have a